So good afternoon, everyone. In the last class, we create directory and we install WordPress on that. Okay. And today we will manage that website. We will create some pages. We'll make menus also. Okay. तो वो हमको करना है. चलो तो start करते हैं. So first let me start that launch the domain. क्या था उसका domain का नाम? Last हमने क्या किया? Bosco Delhi. Small letter. boscodelhi.in/20 SCP7. Okay, this one is the domain name we create last time. ये हमने create किया था सब domain और directory you can say. Okay, with that और ये हमारे एक website create किया था हमने. ठीक है, हमने इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं किया, simply एक we just create one directory and we installed WordPress on that और by default it's created. Okay, we select by default one theme और ये automatically update हुआ था. Now today we'll create some pages also, जैसे कि websites में होता है, as you know, on in the page website there's pages ना, like home option, contact us pages, different pages are there. So we'll do the same thing also today. Okay, so I have to manage this website. Okay, this directory. So we have to log in the WordPress. So how can we log in the directory? We know boscodelhi.in/20 SCP is the domain name. And then if you want to log in the WordPress, so we have to write here one slash, then we write here to WP admin. Okay, WP admin, and then press enter. Then it will ask you as the username and password for WordPress. I write here the username, and then I'm going to write here the password. I write the password also. Username likha, password likha, and then click on the login option. So now the dashboard is on front of our screen. We can click the option post, and all posts, we can see how many posts are already available here. There's one post is there with the name hello world, which is this one. If you don't want to show this post, I don't want this one, so I will delete this. Okay, I will just click that, select this, and then click to move to trash on the trash option, and then apply. Simply ये delete हो जाएगा, और ये delete हो गया तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे वो visible नहीं होगा. Now nothing is here, there's no post. Okay, only one page is there. Pages देख लेते कौन कौन सा pages है. Now I'm going to click the option pages, all pages. There's one page is sample pages available there. एक page already created है. If you want, so you can delete this page also. इस पे ये लिखा हुआ है, ये तो कहीं शो नहीं कर रहा है हमको. चलो, we'll manage this page. Okay, so now click on this W icon, WordPress icon. I want to delete all this. Okay, ये सब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I will create my pages on myself. हम अपना pages खुद create करेंगे. Now there's no pages. Okay, now I'm going to click the option pages and then all pages, and now there's option add new here. You also can click, and you can click the option add new here also. Okay, so basically कौन कौन सा pages होता है, home page होता है, contact page होता है. Okay, so I'm going to create one page here, home, then click the option publish. You can view the page also. There's a home page. Going to dashboard again. Going to click option add new. Going to create one some more pages here. About us. Sorry. About us page. Now click the option publish. Okay. Just click the option publish. अब यहाँ पे कोई भी पेज शो नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, राइट नाउ देयर इज नो पेजेस अवेलेबल हियर. ओके, हमने सिर्फ पेजेस क्रिएट किया है. टिल नाउ देयर इज नो मेन्यू बार, नथिंग इज अवेलेबल हियर. ओके, तो हम कुछ और पेजेस करना है तो हम कर सकते हैं. लेट इट 2 pages only. Okay, now I'm going to again WordPress dashboard. Okay, now there's some option plugins. Sorry, there's option appearance. Just you have to click the option appearance and then go to menus, then click the option menus. We have to create menu. Until I'm not going to create menu, so I cannot design here menu option like home, contact us. जो options होता है वो यहाँ पे design नहीं कर सकते हैं. चलो एक पेज और create कर लेते हैं contact us का. Okay, so pages and add new again. contact us का पेज create कर लेते हैं. ये हो गया. Again click here, add new pages. सर्विसेज कर लेते हैं. Now is okay. Now we do dashboard. Dashboard में आने के बाद you have to click the option appearance. Then after appearance you have to click the option menus. Okay, after appearance you have to click the option menus because this page is designed but still nothing is visible here. Okay, कोई भी यहाँ पे कुछ डिजाइन नहीं है. There's a menu options. Okay, so now you have to create one menu here. So first write here one name. So you can write here first menu. Okay, first menu. I'm going to create my first menu. So I'm going to write her name first menu. And कहाँ पे लोकेशन रखना है? Should be primary. क्या रखते हैं इसको हम? Primary कर लेते हैं. क्यों? Okay, primary and then option create menu. Just wait for a second. Yeah, the menu option is created. Now these all the options are active. Now you have to select all these options and then click the option add menu. Now click the option add menu. Okay, like this. When you click here, all the options are visible here. Now click option save menu. Now come to here and refresh the page. Now you can see these options are available here. Services, contact us, about us, home page. Okay, all the options are visible here. Menu option is visible here now. Home, about us, contact us, services. But I have to arrange all the options. ये सारा options arrange करना है. Okay, so I have to go again here in the menu option section. सबसे first option क्या होना चाहिए? The first option should be home. So just click the home option and drag कर इसको ऊपर लेके आओ. After home, you can make that about us page, then services, then contact us, and then click the option again save menu. Save किया. Now click here and refresh the page. Home, about us, services, contact us. Okay, all the 4 options are there in a menu option. You can click option secondary also. Secondary menu. Just see there's no secondary menu. Okay, if I click on secondary menu and save, so what will happen? The changes, refresh the page. All the options are mentioned in the bottom also. Home, about us, services, contact us, same. अगर यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ पे भी नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ यहाँ कर लो. Just click on automatically add new top level menus and see the difference. यहाँ पे visible नहीं हो रहा है. To make visible, you have to apply primary at least. Okay, just apply the primary so it's look good. If you click on primary, so the menu option will be on the top of the screen. But if you want the menu should be on the bottom also, so you have to apply the secondary menu. Okay, then you have to choose this option secondary menu. Whatever you do changes here on the dashboard, you can see the changes on the this page. Okay, but right now I did not write anything on this page. ना, I have not written anything in this page. हमने किसी भी पेज के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. Okay, We didn't mention any things on the any page. कुछ भी mention नहीं किया है. If you want to add the pages, then you have to click on the option pages, then all pages option. Okay. Now see, suppose you want to mention here something in the contact us pages. So just click on the option to contact us page. यहाँ पे click करो. Then you can click here and you can write here. Bosco Delhi 1-1/6A Shasi Market. Like that, I mention it here. So update kiya, I just update this page. Now refresh the page. When you click on the about us page, so about us page will open. Nothing is there on this page. Service में भी कुछ नहीं लिखा है हमने. So it's empty also. When you click on contact us page, what will happen? Whatever you write on this page, you can see here. Okay. आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी लिखोगे यहाँ पे शो करेगा. Suppose इसको select किया, you want to bold, apply bold option, apply the bold option. It's coming bold. आप यहाँ पे जो भी changes करोगे यहाँ पे आपको पेज में शो करेगा. ठीक है. So all the changes you have to do on the dashboard. So like that, you can write anything. You can write paragraph also. If you have some paragraphs in somewhere else, so you can copy and then you can paste it here also. Okay. Just simply WordPress open किया. Open the कुछ paragraphs ले लेते हैं. I'm going to select some paragraphs. I just copy this one. So copy किया and going to paste on the home page और service page click कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. Going to again dashboard. Home page पे डिजाइन करते हैं. चलो. Just click the home page option and going to write here. इसमें हमें paste कर दिया. Then update this page. Now see. If I click on about us page, nothing is there. But if I click on home page, so this will show me this details. Okay, जो हमने यहाँ पे लिया है, copy किया था. But whenever you open this website, like this, boscodelhi.in/20 SEP SAP. Okay, enter करोगे तो यहाँ पे आप नहीं देख पाओगे. ये पेज बाय डिफॉल्ट होम ओपन नहीं है. बाय डिफॉल्ट होम पेज इज नॉट ओपनिंग हियर. ओके, व्हेन यू क्लिक हियर देन इट विल कम. इट्स मीन until it's not properly host. Okay, so we have to do one thing. Again click on the dashboard option. There's option settings. Okay, there's option settings. Just click off the option settings. यहाँ पे क्लिक करो. सेटिंग्स के अंदर एक ऑप्शन था रीडिंग. सेटिंग के अंदर होता है एक ऑप्शन रीडिंग. जस्ट क्लिक द ऑप्शन रीडिंग ऑप्शन. रीडिंग में जाने के बाद यू हैव टू चूज योर लेटेस्ट पोस्ट. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? योर होम पेज डिस्प्लेज लेटेस्ट पोस्ट, बट आई डोंट वांट टू show here the latest post. I want to show this home page on the welcome screen. Okay, so you have to click the option static page, then select the home page from here. Which page you want to show? Home page. Then save the changes. Save the changes. Now you can click here and refresh the website. Now I'm going to write a boscodelhi.in/20 SEP. Now if I write this one, so what will happen? Sorry, spelling galat ho gaya hai. Sorry, spelling is mistake here. If I write this one now, so I can see the home page. Okay, boscodelhi.in/20 SEP. Just wait. Save changes. Now see. Now by default is coming this page. इससे पहले ये नहीं आ रहा था. Before it, this page is not visible here because by default it's mentioning the your latest post. Okay, but we have to change from here. You have to choose the select static page, that is the home page. So if you want to make home page another page, okay, suppose I want to make home page this contact us. इसको अगर आपको बनाना है home first page तो आप वहां से change कर सकते हो, so that whenever a person will open the website he can see this page. So for that you have to do changes. Click here and apply the contact us page and then do save changes here. boscodeli.in slash boscodeli.in slash 20 SCP-SAP. This page is visible, okay? Because we mentioned here the contact us page as a static page, the first page, home page, okay? Now I'm going to change again home page as a home page. So like that, you can create pages, you can make menus, okay? So today we learn how to create pages and how to create the menus for the WordPress website, okay? Thank you all of you.